Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the post reading activities of the story The Jackal and the Rooster, Lesson 2, Part 1 of your English book. Session 4, Number 2, Comprehension Activities. A. MCQs. Choose the correct answer. ତଳେ ଅପସନ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ବାଛି ଆମେ ଶୂନ୍ୟ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଲେଖିବା. Number 1. The rooster was dash. A ରେ ଅଛି big, B handsome, C with a crown, D A, B and C. Answer ହେବ A, B and C. The rooster was big, handsome with a crown. ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା A, B, C. Number 2. The rooster wanted to make his song dash. A ରେ ଅଛି B, C and D. B ରେ ଅଛି louder, C clearer, D better. Answer ହେବ B, C and D. The rooster wanted to make his song louder, clearer, better. ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା The rooster wanted to make his song B, C and D. Number 3. The jackal called the rooster dash. Option A ରେ ଅଛି great, B handsome, C king like, D all of A, B and C. Correct answer is all of A, B and C. ଲେଖିବା The jackal called the rooster all of A, B and C. Number 4. Who chased after the jackal? Option A ଅଛି the owner, the neighbor of the owner, his wife and sons. D ରେ ଅଛି all of them. Correct ହେଲା all of them. ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା all of them chased after the jackal. Number 5. The rooster said to the jackal dash. Option A ରେ ଅଛି his owner was a miser, B ରେ ଅଛି A and D, C ରେ ଅଛି his owner loved him, D ରେ ଅଛି his owner never gave him anything to eat. Correct answer ହେବ A and D. His owner was a miser and his owner never gave him anything to eat. ତେବେ ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା The rooster said to the jackal A and D. B. Match. Who said what? Draw lines. One is done for you. ମେଳ କର କିଏ କ'ଣ କହିଲା ରେଖା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଯୋଗ କରି ଦର୍ଶାଅ. Who what? ରୁଷ୍ଟର ଏବଂ ଜାକଲ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ କହିଲେ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସ ତମରେ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଆମେ ତାହାକୁ ଯୋଗ କରି ଦେଖାଇବା. ରୁଷ୍ଟର B. I am happy with you. C. What a great feeling. E. Why don't you tell this to them? G. I closed instead of opening my eyes. Jackal. Oh great handsome king like. D. Your song will be nice if for opening my mouth I feel really repented. Session 5. 3. Listening. A. Your teacher will read aloud some words from the list below. Tick those words which she or he reads aloud. ନିମ୍ନ ତାଲିକାରେ ଥିବା ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକରୁ ତୁମ ଶିକ୍ଷକ କେତେଟିକୁ ଉଚ୍ଚ ପାଟିରେ ପଢ଼ିବେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଟିକ୍ ଚିହ୍ନ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଦର୍ଶାଅ. ମୁଁ ଏବେ ପଢ଼ୁଛି ତୁମେମାନେ ଟିକ୍ ଦିଅ. ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସମ୍, ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ୍, ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍, କଟ୍, ନେବର୍ସ, ବିହାଇଣ୍ଡ, ଇନଷ୍ଟେଡ୍, ବିଲିଭ୍, ରିପେଣ୍ଟେଡ୍. B. Your teacher will read aloud paragraph 3, SCP 2. Listen to him or her and fill in the gaps. ତୁମ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ତୃତୀୟ ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦଟିକୁ ପଠନ କରିବେ ମନୋଯୋଗ ପୂର୍ବକ ଶୁଣି ଶୂନ୍ୟସ୍ଥାନ ପୂରଣ କର. ଆନ୍ସର. The owner of the rooster chased behind. His wife and sons joined him, also joined his neighbors, but the jackal was much ahead of those running behind. Number 4. Speaking. A. Chain drill. ଶୃଙ୍ଖଳ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ. I was a fool to believe your lies. ଏଇଟି ତୁମେ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଜଣକ ପରେ ଜଣେ କହିବ. B. Dialogue. Rehearsal. Teacher versus students, students versus students reading aloud the dialogues. ଏହି ସଂଳାପକୁ ତୁମେ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଓ ଛାତ୍ରମାନେ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ଓ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ରୂପେ କଥନ କରିବ. Jackal. I am a fool. Rooster. I am a fool too. Jackal. I opened my mouth. Rooster. I closed my eyes. Jackal. You told lies. Rooster. You too told lies. C. Words with IE, EE, EI O in spelling are generally spoken with a long sound taking more time. Given below are some such words from the lesson. Your teacher will read aloud each word. You will repeat after him or her. Rooster, fool, doodle, feel, free, believe, receive, repeat. Session 6, number 5, vocabulary. B. Word scramble. ଅସଜଡ଼ା ଅକ୍ଷରକୁ ସଜାଡ଼ି ଶବ୍ଦ ଗଠନ କର. Find words from the scramble. In some cases, you may get 2 words. Some hints are provided in brackets. One is done for you. DRE color বা ରଙ୍ଗ. ଏଠି ହେବ RED red. GIB ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଜ୍ ବା ଆକାର. ଏଠି ହେବ BIG big. YRT begin with T. T ରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଥିବ. ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଠି ହେବ try. TRY try. YEE body part. ଏହା ଏକ ଶରୀରର ଅଂଶ ଅଟେ. ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଠି ହେବ EYEI. YAD opposite of night. ରାତ୍ରିର ବିପରୀତ. ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଠି ହେବ day. DAY. YAS begins with S. S ଲଗାଇକି ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା ଶବ୍ଦଟି. ସେଇଠି ହେବ ତାହେଲେ SAY say. LYF cock can but jackal can't. ଗଞ୍ଜା କରିପାରେ ବିଲୁଆ କରିପାରେ ନାହିଁ. ଏଇଠି ହେବ fly ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ସେ ଉଡ଼ିପାରେ ନାହିଁ. FLY fly. AET begins with E. E ଲଗେଇ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା. ଏଇଠି ହେବ eat. EAT. Number 6 usage. A. Combine 2 sentences into one. One is done for you. Number 1. The rooster sang. It closed its eyes. The rooster sang closing its eyes. ଏହିପରି ଦୁଇଟି ବାକ୍ୟକୁ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଗୋଟିଏ ବାକ୍ୟରେ ପ୍ରକାଶ କର. The rooster sang. It sat on a tree. Answer is the rooster sang sitting on a tree. Number 3. Rakesh took tea. He sat on a chair. Answer. Rakesh took tea sitting on a chair. Number 4. Ravi went home. He rode on a bicycle. Answer. Ravi went home riding on a bicycle. Number 5. The cat caught the rat. It climbed up the tree. Answer. The cat caught the rat climbing up the tree. Number 6. The jackal ran. It caught the rooster by its neck. Answer. The jackal ran, catching the rooster by its neck. B. These sentences can also be written beginning with the second part of the sentence. ପୂର୍ବୋକ୍ତ ବାକ୍ୟଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଶେଷୋକ୍ତ ଅଂଶକୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ବଦଳାଇ ଲେଖ. Example. Closing its eyes, the rooster sang. Write all the sentences of 6A in this way. Answer. Number 2. Sitting on a tree, the rooster sang. Number 3. Sitting on a chair, Rakesh took tea. Number 4. Riding on a bicycle, Ravi went home. Number 5. Climbing up the tree, the cat caught the rat. Number 6. Catching the rooster by its neck, the jackal ran. Session 7. Number 7. Writing. A. Write answers to the following questions. Number 1. What is the story about? ଗପଟି କେଉଁ ବିଷୟରେ? Answer. The story is about the rooster and the jackal. Number 2. What did the jackal ask the rooster to do? ବିଲୁଆ ଗଞ୍ଜାକୁ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ କହିଲା? Answer. The jackal asked the rooster to sing closing its eyes. Number 3. The rooster sang closing its eyes. What did the jackal do? ଗଞ୍ଜା ତାର ଆଖି ବନ୍ଦ କରି ଗୀତ ଗାଇଲା. ବିଲୁଆ କ'ଣ କଲା? Answer. The jackal caught the rooster, his prey, by its neck whenever it started singing closing its eyes. Number 4. The jackal opened its mouth. What did the rooster do? ବିଲୁଆ ତାର ପାଟି ଖୋଲିଲା. ଗଞ୍ଜାଟି କ'ଣ କଲା? Answer. The rooster freed itself from the jackal and flew up to a tree as soon as it opened its mouth. B. Given below is what the rooster told another rooster after the incident. Read what it said and fill in the gaps consulting the text. ଘଟଣା ଘଟିଲା ପରେ ଗଞ୍ଜାଟି ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗଞ୍ଜାକୁ କହିଲା, ପାଠ୍ୟ ଅନୁସରଣରେ ନିମ୍ନ ଶୂନ୍ୟସ୍ଥାନ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପୂରଣ କର। ଆନ୍ସର, ଡୁ ୟୁ ନୋ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ହ୍ୟାପନ୍ଡ ଦି ଅଦର ଡେ? I was singing in the morning. A jackal came. He told me to sing closing my eyes. I closed my eyes and sang. The jackal caught me by my neck and ran away. My master, his wife and sons, and his neighbors chased the jackal. The jackal was much ahead. There was little chance of catching him. So I thought of a plan. I said the jackal, I am happy with you. Why should they chase? Tell them this. He opened his mouth to tell this. I quickly flew off onto the tree. See, you know what a rooster told another rooster about the incident. Consult the text and write what the jackal said to another jackal after the incident. ତୁମେ ଜାଣିଲ ଗଞ୍ଜାଟି ଅନ୍ୟ ଗଞ୍ଜାଟିକୁ କ'ଣ କହିଲା। ପାଠ୍ୟ ଅନୁସରଣରେ ସେହିପରି ବିଲୁଆଟି ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ବିଲୁଆକୁ କ'ଣ କହିଲା ଲେଖ। ଆନ୍ସର, ଡୁ ୟୁ ନୋ ଆଇ ମେଟ୍ ଏ ରୁଷ୍ଟର ସିଙ୍ଗିଂ ଇନ୍ ଦ ଆର୍ଲି ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ with open eyes. Cunningly, I told it to sing closing its eyes, for it would be better, clearer, and louder. As the rooster did so, I caught it by its neck and ran away. Its owner, his wife, sons, and neighbors ran after me. The rooster told it had a nice feeling. It told its master was a miser and did not give it much to eat. It requested me to tell this to its master. As I opened my mouth to speak, it flew away up to a tree. I missed my prey. This is all about the post-reading activities of the story The Jackal and the Rooster. Thank you.